found it on Facebook Marketplace, but to a mutual friend for like this really nice like utility. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, what the fuck? What's up, YouTube? So on this little adventure that I've taken to basically start assembling my own engines, you run into a whole lot. So currently right now what I'm doing is disassembling my spare block and the main one, because I'm gonna get the cylinders lightly honed. I'll actually show you exactly what I'm doing. So as you can see, I've actually already started taking this apart. Got my bearings out, got the crank out. Crank's over there on the floor next to the other block where it's gonna go into the same reconstruction. But yeah, I guess you can see these bearings are kind of like, we're kind of going, they're on their way out. But believe it or not, I mean, even after looking at, most of the bearings kind of look like this. Not terrible, not amazing, but not terrible. I'm trying to get this to focus a little bit more. So I think it was a good time that I decided to kind of take this block out of the car when I had that 121 and then just retire it, so to speak, temporarily. Get the other one done, get that in there. So all this is going to get is just a light hone on all the cylinders. New bearings, new rods, new mains. And yeah, that's pretty much it. New crank. Got a new crank for it as well. Get that bounced. And that's pretty much it. It'll go back together, get assembled, and ready to go. So, I've been working like a little savage, and just about everything that I do has been basically like on top of this like fold out plastic table. You know, the typical fold out tables. And I feel like I've graduated from that now, so. I had a really good deal come up. It was actually through a mutual friend. I found it on Facebook Marketplace, but to a mutual friend for like this really nice like utility. Oh my god. Fuck. Bro, my back cover just flew off and literally almost took somebody the fuck out. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. That's crazy. So that bed cover was very secure, like super secure. I don't even know how the fuck that happened, to be honest with you, but yeah, it happened. Not happy about that, which means now I gotta fix my bed cover or get a new one. Doesn't even look that bad. It's actually pretty damn rugged, but it flew off and like live, like went straight up in the air, and this like Taurus like dipped and dodged. That almost hit his windshield. Yeah, secure your shit, people. Don't be like me. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I got this piece off of Marketplace. It actually ended up being one of my guy Dave's from Head Games employees. So yeah, he hooked it up to me. Price was amazing. Table's like sturdy. So I'm trying to like revamp my basement, where I kind of like my little workstation right now, where I do everything, just to get a little bit more organization done. Plus, when you're like doing all of your own machine work and things of that nature, you need to have like proper benches, sturdy benches. You need to have vices, and these are things that, honestly speaking, I've been using everybody else's shit to do. So like, I'm just trying to take advantage of the fact that like I actually have access and space, and yeah, just trying to get it done. So let's get this home, let's get everything together, let's get everything organized, and we'll have a little bit more input from there, a bit more content. Yo, it was fucking hilarious. Well, as you can see, I got the shit back on. It's a little bent. She's hurt. Definitely gonna need a new one, but it's gonna be good enough for right now. I had to literally like hammer this shit out flat, like the tabs, everything. But basically what happened is that this has like these straps, the bed covers. And when you're towing, well, not towing, but whatever, anything you're doing where the bed's full and you have this open, you're supposed to strap these down on the edges here. Well, guess who didn't do that? And that shit took flight. Straight up flight. Yo, you live and you learn, right? All right, so my little creation has come to life. So I finally got both of the blocks on the table, which is nice. I finally got like a nice little workstation. I got something to do here. I'm actually taking apart. This is the most current block. This is the one that was literally just running. Popping all the mains out. The goal is to get the crank polished and basically get everything reassembled. So that's really the only plan here. There's nothing out of the ordinary, nothing too crazy. There isn't any major, rebuild. I'm just pulling all the mains right now, so I can basically just have a look at the bearings. I haven't looked at the mains. I've seen the rods, haven't seen the mains. And yeah, see, as you can see, something definitely went through this. And I'm happy that I pulled it apart when I did, before things really got out of hand. So that's main number 5. Number 4 is about the same. Actually can't catch anything with your fingernail or whatnot, but something small went through there and the coating is starting to come off. So, but yeah. And yeah, something definitely went through that. This is the reason why I do this, so you guys can kind of explore with me. As we go this way too, by the way, we get closer to the oil pump. But you never really noticed much change. Coating's coming off for sure. And here's the last one. Yeah, see? Something went in there and came out. Don't know what though. We did drill my catch can and it was recirculating, and I don't know if some metal might have gotten back into it. That was a mistake I had made earlier in the year. It's always a possibility. But this is why we do it. This is why we inspect. Now I have to put even more emphasis on cleaning, being as I'm doing all this myself. But crank looks good. So we're gonna get that polished. Yep. Get that polished, and yeah, we'll be good. Hit the reset button. But the coolest part about this, honestly, is just getting to know your engine from the inside out. Not going off of what somebody else told you. You're just going off of what you know. So I'm happy about that. I'm actually very happy about that. I'm happy with the way this is going. And looking forward to really like getting the cranks back, putting everything back together, cleaning everything, putting the heads on. Like, it's got me excited, to say the least. Definitely has me excited. So I'm not really sure what iteration or what portion of the video all this is going to end up in, but I'm kind of just going to wing it. It's been like a really fun day, and to end this way on a good note is kind of really like, what does it for me. So until next time or the next update, bye.